Comparing two software options side by side. An AI voice continues from here. When you break down FXPrismus pricing, the structure is clearly built around multiple account types, designed to match different trading styles, rather than forcing everyone into one cost model. FXPrismus offers Classic, Pro, Zero, and Synthetics accounts, each with a different balance between spreads, commissions, leverage, and minimum deposits. The Classic account is positioned as the entry-level option, using wider spreads starting around the mid-pip range with zero commission and a very low minimum deposit that makes it accessible to beginners who want simple pricing without per-trade fees. Leverage on this account can scale very high depending on equity levels, which lowers the capital barrier but increases risk exposure. The Pro account tightens spreads significantly, often around sub-pip levels, but introduces a fixed commission per lot depending on platform choice. This pricing structure targets experienced traders who want more predictable execution costs and tighter bid-ask pricing for intraday or swing trading. The Zero account pushes spreads down to zero on major instruments, but offsets that with a per-lot commission, making it more suitable for scalpers or high-frequency traders who prioritize spread compression over simplicity. FXPrismus also offers a synthetics account with ultra-tight spreads and extremely high effective leverage, designed specifically for traders looking to trade proprietary synthetic instruments rather than traditional forex pairs. Across all account types, FXPrismus uses MT4 and MT5 as its core platforms, keeping pricing execution familiar and widely supported. Minimum deposits vary significantly depending on account selection, which gives flexibility but also requires traders to choose carefully based on their actual strategy rather than marketing labels. Leverage scales dynamically based on equity tiers, meaning risk exposure increases as account balances change, which can be powerful but dangerous without disciplined risk management. Feature-wise, FXPrismus positions itself as a multi-asset broker, offering forex, indices, metals, energies, stocks, and cryptocurrencies. The platform environment focuses on stability rather than heavy customization, relying on MetaTrader's ecosystem for indicators, automation, and strategy development. On the Pro side, FXPrismus offers flexible account structures, high leverage availability, multiple pricing models to suit different trading styles, and compatibility with industry-standard platforms. Traders who understand spread versus commission trade-offs can fine-tune their costs based on how frequently they trade and which instruments they focus on. On the con side, pricing complexity can be confusing for newer traders, especially when comparing spread-only versus zero-spread accounts with commissions. High leverage options amplify both gains and losses, making the platform less forgiving for undisciplined risk management. Some traders may also find the platform experience more functional than modern, as FXPrismus relies heavily on MetaTrader rather than proprietary trading environments. Overall, FXPrismus rewards traders who already understand cost structures and execution mechanics rather than those looking for simplified, guided trading experiences. TMGM approaches pricing with a sharper focus on execution efficiency and market competitiveness, offering traders a choice between commission-free and raw spread account structures. The Classic account model bundles trading costs directly into the spread, making it straightforward for traders who want simplicity and predictable costs without calculating commissions on every position. Spreads here remain competitive across major instruments, especially for forex and indices, making this option suitable for active retail traders who value ease of use. For more experienced traders, TMGM's raw or edge style accounts provide access to significantly tighter spreads, often starting from near zero, with a transparent commission charged per lot traded. This model is particularly attractive to scalpers, high-frequency traders, and algorithmic systems where execution speed and spread consistency directly impact profitability. leverage remains high, allowing flexible capital allocation while still operating within defined margin frameworks. Feature-wise, TMGM places strong emphasis on platform breadth and execution speed. Traders gain access to MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5, along with infrastructure designed to support expert advisors, low latency execution, and fast order processing. Market coverage includes Forex, indices, commodities, metals, cryptocurrencies, and shares, providing broad diversification without forcing traders into overly complex product menus. TMGM also invests in operational efficiency. Deposit and withdrawal processes are frequently highlighted for speed and reliability, which is a critical factor for active traders managing capital flow. Educational content and analysis tools are available, but the platform's overall tone is performance-oriented rather than tutorial-heavy. This positions TMGM as a broker for traders who already understand their strategy and want the infrastructure to execute it efficiently. From a pro's perspective, TMGM delivers competitive raw pricing, strong execution performance, fast funding processes, platform flexibility, high leverage availability, and a broad instrument range. It suits traders who prioritize speed, pricing precision, and minimal friction between decision and execution. On the downside, beginners may find the environment less guided compared to brokers that emphasize education and onboarding. Commission-based pricing on raw accounts requires more cost awareness, and traders unfamiliar with spread plus commission models may face a learning curve. Customer experience can feel more transactional than relationship-driven depending on account level. Looking at user sentiment, Trustpilot feedback adds important context. FXPrismus holds a Trustpilot rating of 3.9 out of 5, with many reviewers praising professionalism, account management support, and reliability, while some mention average spreads on certain account types. TMGM also holds a Trustpilot rating of 3.9 out of 5, with traders frequently highlighting competitive spreads, fast withdrawals, and strong execution, alongside occasional feedback about communication consistency. Ratings can change over time, and viewers should always verify the latest information directly on Trustpilot before making decisions. Final takeaway: FXPrismus is better suited for traders who value structured account tiers, service-driven support, clear leverage frameworks, and a guided trading environment with defined expectations. TMGM is a stronger fit for traders who prioritize execution speed, competitive raw pricing, fast capital movement, and a performance-first infrastructure. Neither broker is universally better. The right choice depends on whether you prefer structured guidance or execution-focused efficiency. If this comparison helped you understand which platform aligns with your trading style, hit like, subscribe for more no-nonsense broker breakdowns, and click the link below to explore the platform that actually fits how you trade.